And welcome to another Cooking with Louise. Today we're going to make a blackened barramundi with a pineapple salsa and jasmine rice.
Okay, for this recipe, you will need a half a cup of jasmine rice, 1 tablespoon of butter, 4 ounces of pineapples with juice, salt and pepper, one lime, and a Southwest spice blend. You will also need 10 ounces of asparagus, 10 ounces of barramundi, and 2 scallions.
First, we're going to preheat our oven to 425 degrees. And while that's preheating, we're going to go ahead and boil our water.
Okay, before we do that, we're going to go ahead and prep our vegetables. We're going to prepare our scallions by cutting off the roots and separating the white part and the green part in separate bowls. We're going to be adding the white to the rice and the green to the pineapple salsa. Go ahead and thinly slice them. And go ahead and put the whites and the greens in a separate bowl. Next, we're going to zest the entire lime. And after you finish zesting, go ahead and cut the lime into quarters. This is the lime that we're going to squeeze over the fish when we're finished. Go ahead and put it in the bowl with the zest and set it aside. Next, we're going to drain the diced pineapple in a separate bowl. Use a spoon and drain the juice. Next, go ahead and place your fish on the cutting board, and using a paper towel, we are going to pat them dry on both sides. Remember to start skin side down, because it'll be easier when we salt and pepper. We have to finish flesh side up. So go ahead and salt and pepper. Next, turning them over. Go ahead and salt and pepper them again. Now with the Southwest spice blend, go ahead and put it on the flesh side and make sure it gets all over the fish. And put it on a separate plate. Wash your hands and then set aside.
In a medium pan, we're going to cook the white scallions for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then while that's cooking, we're just going to add the rice to the boiling water. Let that cook. Let that brown up a little bit. Drain a little bit of the oil so you don't cook any further. Get off the heat. We're going to add the scallions. Don't burn any further. And then in the bowl that we have the pineapple, we're going to add a little bit of the lime zest, about 3/4 of it or half, or however much you would like. And we're gonna add 1 lime wedge. We're gonna add about half of the pineapple juice. We're also gonna mix in the green scallions. And that's going to be our pineapple salsa. While your rice is almost done, you should have a couple more minutes left on that. We're going to move on to our asparagus. We're going to put it in a pan or a baking tray or whatever you see fit. You can grab a little bit of olive oil. And we're just going to mix that around. Because I like my asparagus to be crispy, roasted well. Alright, and then to that, we're going to add salt and pepper. It's to taste, it's to add however much you would like. Then we're going to place it in the oven. For about 10 minutes. Okay, the rice should be done at this point. Set. I'm going to turn it off. Now using the pan again. And using whatever oil we had left, we are going to cook this. And then while the oil's heating up, we're going to do skin side down and cook it till crispy. That's going to be about 5 minutes, about 4 to 5 minutes. To the rice, we're going to add the 1 tablespoon of butter, which is melted. Perfect. And the remaining lime zest. The rest of the pineapple juice. And another quarter of lime. Let's stir that up. And then you can add salt or add pepper, depending on how you like. Give it a taste. A little bit of salt in there. We're going to take a quick peek at the fish. Alright. Take a look at this one. Oh, it's starting to get some color. One more time. Perfect. Starting to get that golden brown color. We're going to cook the flesh side for about 3 more minutes. Gently turning it over. Oh, it's starting to smell so good. And then we wait on our asparagus to cook. I like to keep stirring the rice so it doesn't all stick together. See that little bit of salt help it out. Much better. Alright. Should almost be done. We're going to take a peek, see if it's fully cooked. Oh, that's beautiful. No, still pink. Gotta cook it a little bit more. This is also going to be pink as well. Yeah. A little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and give these a flip. Because it don't blacken too much. And I like the skin to be crispy. I will wait until the asparagus heats up. Or flip and then take it off to cook. So it's fully cooked. Alright. We're going to take it off the heat. Flush the rice one more time. That means the asparagus is done. So divide it about half, because remember, when you makes about 2 servings. Then we're going to grab the fish. Okay. We'll grab about half of the asparagus. And then finally, that pineapple salsa. We're going to add half of it on top. And then finish it off with a lime. And there you go. And that's how you make blackened barramundi with pineapple salsa and baked asparagus. Final beauty shots. I'd like to thank the sponsor for this video. was great. It was so great. It was such a great product. Great. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.